Hello viewers, welcome to BS Tech. I am Ritesh and today we will show you a one-of-its-kind device with a bendable screen and a price tag of Rs 1,65,000. If you haven't already guessed by now, here's another clue. This is India's first foldable device. Yes, we are talking about the Samsung Galaxy Fold. In the words of the manufacturers, a new breed of smartphones under Samsung's product category of foldable devices. In this episode of BS Tech, we will unbox and take a close look at the Galaxy Fold and its key features. First, the unboxing. The Galaxy Fold's rather big packaging gives the impression of something extraordinary inside. Let's hope we are not disappointed. We open the box and the first things that we see are documents. In one of these, Samsung has explained what makes the Galaxy Fold special. The other lists the specialized after-sales services that you get only with the Galaxy Fold. Placed under these papers is the Galaxy Fold device, covered in a thin plastic wrap with some care instructions on it. These instructions are very important, so we will come back to them after the unboxing. When you remove the box separator, you find a folder that has a very attractive phone cover, several other things and a lot of paperwork. There is a SIM ejector tool, quick start guide, regional lock guide, warrant information booklet, and a guide on how to transfer contents from your old phone to the Galaxy Fold. The phone's two-piece cover has a very premium feel to it, and there is a neatly illustrated instruction manual to help you put it on the phone. Let's keep all of these aside and see what else we have in the box. There is a wall charger at the bottom of the box, and there are Samsung Galaxy Buds wireless earphones, a tiny box with a USB Type-C cable, some additional Galaxy Buds accessories, and a USB connector to plug in external hardware. That is clearly a generously packed box. Now let's take a quick look at the phone and its features. The Galaxy Fold's primary attraction is its dual display design. It has a conventional 4.6-inch Super AMOLED display on the front and a secondary 7.3-inch Dynamic AMOLED foldable display which bends inwards. The primary 4.6-inch display on the front has an HD Plus resolution in a tall 21:9 aspect ratio. This screen is covered under glass and looks like any other display that we are used to seeing in smartphones. It has a good touch response suitable for regular phone operations like calls and messages. Unfold the device and the secondary 7.3-inch bendable display comes into play. Unlike the primary display, which is protected under glass, this one is made of a plastic-like material that has good flexibility and longevity. The care instruction mentions that you should not press the screen with a hard or sharp object or apply excessive pressure. The screen has a prominent crease at its center. It may look abnormal, but it does not hamper your viewing experience. Let me read out the other points in the phone's care instructions. When folding the device, do not place any objects like cards, coins or keys on the screen. The device is not water or dust resistant, so do not expose it to liquids or small particles. Do not attach any film or sticker to the bendable screen or remove the top protective layer. The device contains magnets, so keep it at a safe distance from objects that may be affected by magnets, such as credit cards and implantable medical devices. If you have an implantable medical device, do consult your physician before use. Now let's talk about the features of the Samsung Galaxy Fold. To bring a sync between the phone's primary and secondary screens, the Galaxy Fold supports an app continuity feature that allows easy transition between both displays. For example, you can open an app on the phone's primary display and continue using it on the secondary bendable screen when you unfold the device. The secondary bendable screen also supports 3-window multitasking, which allows you to utilize a bigger screen estate for opening 3 different supported apps simultaneously. The phone allows you to manually adjust the app windows and position one that you want to move at a place on the screen that you choose. To know more about the phone's design and hinge mechanism, click on the Inset Window screen. That's all we have in this episode of BS Tech. For more on the latest from the world of technology, follow Business Standard on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram and Twitter. Do also follow our podcasts on Google Podcasts, Apple Podcasts and Spotify. Thanks for watching.